Let's discuss again the special relationship between the banker and customers. So we had seen in the last class. So obligation to the honor the check this is the first one, and obligation to the maintenance service of bank account, and also we have seen the third one is right to general lien. So here there are two types of lien. We learned one is particular lien, other one is general lien. So bank is having a right to withhold a customer's account, even though that is called a particular account. The bank is withheld or lien the particular account. We can say it as a particular lien. A bank is withheld all the accounts. We can call it as a general lien. So here in the fourth point, we can see that right to set up. So right to set up. So bank is having a own right to set up the customer account when he is fault of debt. Okay. Suppose I will explain how this works. Suppose customers is having current account and customers is having SB account, customers is having FD account, or customers is taken. Now customer is taken a debt of 20 lakh. This is for example how it works, how the bank is gonna set up a particular debt. So if customers taken a debt of 20 lakh rupees for 3 years. So this is the obligation. Now the customer's obligation, he has to be exercise his duty to recover or repayment his debt as per the installment or monthly basis or 3 months once in a time. But what happens? So customer is bearing a principal plus interest. He need to be paid EMI. We can say that EMI. So principal plus interest. We can say that EMI, equity monthly installment. So after 3 years, customer paid to bank. So anyway, he is having a account and he is having a sufficient fund. He is having a sufficient fund in bank of all these accounts. He is having a sufficient fund in current account, SBI account, and FD account. Right. So, but is at the same time, the customer made a debt from the bank up to 20 lakh. So, even though after principal and interest is paying, on periodical basis, let us say equivalent monthly installment. Even though the term is over right now, the term is over of 3 years, still he not yet been completed. Still in the gap of 3 years, in entire duration of 3 years, he only completed repay the amount 10 lakh and sort of interest, but he is unable to pay remaining 10 lakh rupees along with the interest. At that time, banker will work and banker will give the certain notice. What kind of banker? The banker will give, hello, you are a customer, you are a dignified customers of our bank, so you need to maintain a good relationship with the bank. For that, you are taken a 20 lakh loan 3 years ago. The loan term is already over. Still you are paid 10 lakh, but remaining 10 lakh and interest you need to pay. So customer can't tell that I am an insolvent, I am in a lunacy, because he is having a sufficient fund. All three combined together, he is having 50 lakh in bank. In all, if combined together, FD account, SB account, C account, he is having 50 lakh in bank. So at that time, banker will give one formal notice. Formal notice to customer. For what purpose? Clearing the debt, settlement, clearing the debt settlement. Okay, then hence it doesn't require no agreement. First of all, when this right to set up leave, so we can, I said that in bracket that combining of accounts. Combining of accounts means here all the accounts is combining. When you are taking a loan from the bank 20 lakh rupees, after 3 years you just only pay 10 lakh rupees along with interest. The bankers will ask the remaining 10 lakh plus interest will have to be repaid. So at that time formal notice will send to the customers. Okay, you need to be, so we will gonna right to set off remain your 10 lakh plus interest by combining these accounts. Okay, bank is having a right of that and clearing the debt settlement, because no bankers are not tolerating if once the desired term is over. So for that purpose, clearing the debt settlement. So these accounts, combined accounts is using. So this 50 lakh altogether, so is having a 50 lakhs in bank. So bankers will right to set up out of this 50 lakh 10 lakh plus interest. So this amount will be transferred from these account to his debt account. So finally the bank is got 20 lakh principal plus 3 years duration theory interest. So finally bank has been right to set up his customer's debt account. So this must you have to learn about what is right to set up. So that is combining of accounts. The combining of accounts is a very essential. So within the meanwhile, what is the benefit for the banker? What is the benefit for the customer? Okay, in this time the benefit for the banker is, even banker is in a safer side, because he is having a sufficient amount in all 3 banks, and the banker will immediately think there is no agreement required between the customers and banker, because it has been given a formal notice to customers previous to right to set up. So even the customer is not ready to repay the 10 lakh plus interest. Okay, whatever he done in a defaulter, for that he is against that. So finally the banker will give a formal notice and banker will clearing out the debt, and henceforth it doesn't require any agreement between the bankers and customers. So these are all about the right to set off. So in right to lien is different. So the students will get any confused about the right to general lien and right to particular lien. Lien is only when you are unauthenticated engage the banking transaction. That time only bankers will lien your account. Once the bankers will lien the account, you may not supposed to put the or deposited money in that particular account. At the same time, you are not having a right to withdraw money from that particular account. This is a lien. Okay, in general lien at that time, if you are having a current account, if you are having a SBI account, if you are having a FD account, okay, all these, even though along with the locker facilities, all these accounts along with locker facilities, bank will lien, okay, for unauthenticated or not disclosing the income of your not disclosing the sources of your income. Definitely there is a particular authority will issue a notice to the bank. That time bank will lien on your account. Once the banker will lien all your account, your bad image will be started in the society. So that's what you should always engage the business legally and ethically. So some people are getting engaged in derby, some people are engaged involved in the kind of exercise thing, some people are exercising the duties in illegal manner. So when you are getting a source of income, okay, which is not notified by the government of India or in government of any state government, you are being engaging business in an unethical practice and illegal. So at that time, the lien will be does by the banker. So right to set off only it is in a debt solving or debt set off customer after the post moratorium days. Post moratorium days, if you taken a 10 lakh loan or 5 lakh loan or 20 lakh loan, even close to rupees loan, but if you are having sufficient amount in another account, but you are doing intentionally, but you don't want to repay the amount to the bank for which you are taken debt in a sense some years back. At that time only the banker will do right to set up your accounts. Okay, so I hope that this will be clear.